Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Mother's Day is coming up. I am sharing a curated gift list for moms and mother figures this season. As a mom myself, I feel like the best gifts are the ones that actually make mom's life easier. Not just look pretty or feel like luxurious. And I focus a lot on self-care routine, including like hair care, skincare, wellness. These are the things that I've been using and really enjoying and feel like real upgrades for life. Like you can notice the difference, the quality right away. Without further ado, let's move on to the first one. If I were her, I would be more than happy to receive a quality high-speed hair dryer like this. This is the Laifen SE2 hair dryer. Laifen is actually the world's #1 high-speed hair dryer. The first thing you notice with this hair dryer is actually the airflow. It's called high speed. It's really powerful. Like you can actually see your hair moving a lot. It uses an 105,000 RPM motor. So it dries your hair way faster than a regular hair dryer. For me, this is a big thing because I wash my hair like a lot and my hair is relatively long. I don't want to spend like 20-30 minutes drying my hair every time I wash it. Now with Laifen SE2, it takes only about like 3 to 5 minutes for me to dry my hair from damp hair to fully dried. Even though it's very powerful, it doesn't feel like harsh at all. It has a smart temperature control. That means it constantly adjusting the temperature without overheating the hair. It's got 2 power levels, like medium level and high level, 1 bar, 2 bars, and also 5 temperature settings. And there are different modes for it. So you're not overheating your hair, you're not getting that dry, rough feeling after drying. And I like the LED ring light. It's very minimal and you can definitely tell the setting with the colorful lights. This is one of the small details that actually makes my life easier. The LED ring changes color depending on different temperatures. You can see if you're on hot, warm, or cool, like instantly. It just makes you feel like very easy to control the styling and cooling with only 2 buttons. You can long press the second button for the cycling temperatures. So you can get the hot, warm, and cool temperatures like in turn. That's why you dry your hair really fast without overheating the hair. It also releases 200 million negative ions, which helps reduce static and frizz. That's why the hair looks smooth and shiny without using any product. And another thing is like this hair dryer is very lightweight. After using it for a couple minutes, you don't have sore arms, which I didn't think matters until I tried it. No arm fatigue, just easy to use overall. Before I forget, there is a gentle mode with this model SE2. It offers like softer, more gentle airflow. This is perfect for delicate hair or sensitive scalp. That's why even little kids can use this hair dryer. If you look into Laifen's lineup, you can find other hair dryers that will also be perfect for Mother's Day gifting. Like this one, the Laifen SE Light hair dryer, which is more of a lightweight and budget-friendly option. It's 345 grams, so really easy to hold, but still fast drying with a high-speed motor and quieter than most hair dryers, which is nice. And if you want something fancy that feels more like a full gift, this is the one, the Laifen Love Bond Box. It comes with the hair dryer, a brush, travel bag, and other accessories. So it feels complete. And it's packaged like a gift already. So Laifen, I think, is one of those things can upgrade her routine almost every day. Highly recommended. The next one is more of a full self-care set. This one from L'Occitane. It's the L'Occitane Almond Sublime favorite set. And it's got 3 essential shower products for everything shower routine, I would say. The almond shower routine is one of the best from L'Occitane. It's their iconic products now in a new bottle. Then it turns into a soft milky leather when it touches water. It cleans the skin like effectively without stripping the skin at all. If you smell it, and it's got this amazing warm scent, the almond scent, which just feels like very comforting. And the set also includes body care products like the supple skin oil, along with the soothing milk concentration. These are my favorites too. So your skin feels soft softer and well hydrated after shower. This is one of those gift sets that feels a little bit more indulgent, but it's still very practical. I would say it's perfect for every mom. If you want something more skincare focused for her, I would say the RéVive Duo will be wonderful. This is the RéVive, the Renewal Rescue Duo. I've been using their older generation products, and this is the new generation. They just relaunched these iconic products. I would highly recommend this duo for any moms who care for their skin. This set is about renewing and repairing the skin, helping with fine lines, reducing texture, making the skin look more youthful, more even overall. And it's definitely more of a result-driven product line. I like that it's more than just hydration. It's effectively targeting signs of aging. It's gonna elevate mom's skincare and well-aging routine in the long run. Next up, I have something for eye skincare from Dieux. Dieux Skin Eye Revival Duo. This is one of their classics, the Forever Eye Mask. You can reuse these eye masks. And it works well with the Reviving Eye Gel. So you basically need products for your eyes. You don't need disposables. Just apply the eye gel and apply these Forever Eye Mask. Let it work, let it sit for like 20 minutes and done. It focuses so much on under eye hydration and smoothing. Helps with dryness definitely and softens fine lines. In the morning when I feel like my eyes look tired, and I can apply this duo. And then my eyes look instantly brighter and more awake. This is the gel texture that I like, which makes the whole application, like the whole process, very refreshing. These are really easy to use. I think it's great to share with other moms. And these masks work with other products too, just help you lock in all the ingredients, so your under eye area stays hydrated longer. This is really like a small step that she can do in her routine, which makes like noticeable difference. The next one is actually a small gift, which I think is really special. This one from NOYZ. This is the NOYZ Detour Solid Fragrance. I know fragrance is classic, so in every gift guide on this channel, you will probably see a fragrance, but this one is special because it's not a spray, it's solid. These days, I like to bring one of these, just put it in the bag. It's very easy to wear. This is great for busy moms who might not have time for a full routine in the morning, but she can always take one of these out, like reapply during the day. And it sits closer to the skin. It goes so smoothly on the skin. Smells amazing, and the scent is refreshing. It's very subtle, not overpowering. I actually reached for the solid fragrance more than I expected because I want something softer. If you're a busy mom, you would love to throw one of these in your bag, keep one in your car, and they will lift your mood like instantly. Next up, I have something for her wellness routine. This is from Seedling. I have the Seedling Seed Cycling Kit. It's based on seed cycling, supporting her body through different phases. I have the phase 1, this is the phase 2. It's like simple daily habit that she can add to her meals. It feels less like a product, more like taking care of moms in the long run. And I feel like the best gifts right now are the ones that can make her wellness routine easy. So that's everything on my list. These are the things that I've tried, really loved, and I'd recommend for all moms. And I have the product links in the video description down below. I will leave any promo information along with the links. Let me know if you have any questions or if you find any inspiration for your Mother's Day gifting this year. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.